Is your seawall protecting your waterfront property effectively? I'm a seawall repair expert in Boca Raton, and today I'll show you the top 5 signs that your seawall needs immediate attention. Identifying these issues early can prevent costly repairs and protect your property from potential damage. First, let's talk about visible cracks or holes. Even small cracks can lead to major structural issues over time. These imperfections allow water to seep through, weakening the wall's integrity. If you notice any cracks, it's crucial to address them promptly to prevent further deterioration and costly repairs. Next, observe if your seawall is leaning or bowing. A seawall should be perfectly vertical. Any deviation from this alignment indicates a potential failure in the structure. This could be due to pressure from the water or soil movement. An inspection is necessary to determine the cause and appropriate solution. Another critical sign is soil erosion behind the wall. Look for sinkholes or depressions in your yard. These are indicators that the seawall is not holding back the soil effectively, which can lead to further erosion and instability. Addressing this issue early can prevent significant property damage. Water seepage is another warning sign. During high tides, check for water coming through the wall. This seepage can weaken the seawall and lead to structural failure. If you notice water passing through, it's time to consult a professional for an assessment and necessary repairs. Finally, look for rust stains or exposed rebar. These indicate advanced deterioration of the seawall. Rust weakens the steel reinforcement, compromising the wall's strength. If you see these signs, immediate action is required to prevent further damage and ensure the seawall's longevity. Now let's address some common questions. How long do seawalls typically last? With proper maintenance, concrete seawalls can last 50 years or more. What's the most durable seawall material? Concrete with steel reinforcement is highly durable. Can I repair my seawall myself? DIY repairs are not recommended due to the specialized equipment and expertise required. Remember, early detection and repair can save you thousands in the long run. If you've spotted any of these warning signs, call us for a free seawall inspection. Don't let your property's first line of defense fail you. Act now to protect your investment and ensure peace of mind.